Hey guys, it's Sydney and welcome back to another vlog here on my channel. Today, I'm going to be vlogging, obviously. I need to shoot content and then just see where the rest of the day takes me. I think we're gonna try to go to the gym. Scout is just chilling, being cute as always. I feel like he's so used to the camera now. Whenever it's out, he's like, hello, hi, I am Scout the YouTuber. But just to give you guys a little background on how I kind of plan out and do like my content and everything, I pretty much lay everything out. I probably should have started this before I piled these clothes up, but I lay everything out on our bed and kind of just figure out the pieces that I'm like gonna be putting all together. Once we move into our new apartment, I want to get like a rolling rack so I can hang it all up. I feel like it'll be a lot more clear and it'll look a lot less messy. Yeah, it'll relieve a lot of like the stress you get when you look at a bunch of clutter, which is basically what happens when I try to plan out outfits for shooting content. But yeah, I'm just gonna take you guys along with me so you can see kind of the little behind the scenes and everything. This shirt is from Miss Lola. I have a code, it's just my name, Sydney. That's 30% off, so if you use that, you save some money. But yeah, so we're shooting for some brands, shooting just to take some pics and outfits, all that stuff. One of my goals for this year is to really just be more into creating content, because it really is like content is key and content is everything, especially like nowadays in the social media world. I mean, it's always been like everything, but you know what I mean? It doesn't matter how many followers you have, as long as your content is like amazing, you will get brand deals and everything. So that is what I am trying to achieve. Better content. So it's just all better. I just want to be better. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna go to downtown Phoenix and do more of like traveling to do content. I usually just kind of walk around the neighborhood and find spots, but I need more variety. And then we'll get lunch and everything too. Sorry, Scout, you will not be able to come with on this little adventure. I am sorry. Just finished up outfit number 2. Again, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. That's what I'm doing today, just all stuff for Instagram. It's actually pretty cold outside today. It's like 40 something in Phoenix, which is just insane. Steven is like absolutely freezing, but we're almost done. 2 more outfits to go. We are in downtown Phoenix. Just got done shooting. This is the final look, very casual, but we're just gonna get pictures in this after lunch because we're hungry. So we're just walking around looking for lunch.
Well, on the AS, oh yeah. That'd be great.
We got some little street tacos, some chips and guac. We got a beer. Yum. Hello to the vlog. I thought I would update you all on what we're doing. We're sitting in the car, but we're gonna go to Fashion Square. Sure. Reno was about to come with, and then he just signaled that he wasn't coming with, so whatever. We're just gonna go to Fashion Square and hang around, and I don't really know. Find something to do. I kind of want like something cold, like an acai bowl, so maybe we'll find. So maybe we'll find something like that. I don't know.
Can I ask them something?
Yeah.
Does anybody else have the issue of when you turn on your car, U2 starts playing every time?
Like the band.
Yeah,
U2.
the band.
I'm just clarifying that for them.
I'm sick of it.
Maybe they don't know.
I don't care. 21.
We're now at Crate and Barrel. Just kind of taking some mental notes. So, I got those pants. I got them and I can't wait to wear them. And also, we are trying to just drink this Shake Shack shake and it's so slim thick. Safety first. Hello. Good evening, my little baba. Look at your ear. Your ear is so floppy. Made some little pad thai. Good stuff. I don't know what else to say, but yeah, we made pad thai, and here's Scout, star of the show.
Always.
Always the star. Okay. We're currently trying to learn TikTok dances. Wait. Wait. Oh, you gotta snap. Oh. They do it so fast. I need you to slow it down, sister. Ready? Okay. This is so hard. I know. Okay. I can hear you guys talking about me. Come on, learn with us, guys.
It's so hard.
You gotta do it. Yeah, I'm watching. Okay, ready? So it goes. You haven't punched me yet? Oh my God. No, it's like fast, but it's like. This is hard. Okay. Alright, I think we got it. Do you want to do it fast or? No, let's do it like a slow. Like a slow motion? Okay. Look like we know what we're doing. Okay.
He does like all kinds of like no one really
Oh!
he's the first person to follow him to the top. He does like
I messed up! This song is gonna be stuck in my head for the rest of my life. Okay,
I like that other girl.
I'm like, I'm
They
so
do
ready.
it so good. We want to be that good.
We're gonna be that good.
We are. Okay, let's watch them do it. Ready?
Maybe you should record it. They go like, how does she move her hands like that? Get out of my shot! So, here is the TikTok guide.
Wow, look at Baby Diamond. He went. They said we've both been dancing all this time. What a coincidence.
We've been making TikToks for like the past, I don't even know, 2 hours? No, not that long. Long enough.